Spanish, and Babbel is definitely going to help me do that. The app is so easy to use, and it's so practical. It helps you learn things that you will actually need. Since my husband is from Guatemala, I'll apply what I've learned in Babbel to our real-life situations. I've tried other language learning apps, and nothing really stuck. Babbel's been a complete game changer for me.
Hoy es miércoles y el clima está muy bueno afuera.
Estoy con fome. No tomé café de mañana.
Je suis des États-Unis et du Vion-tu.
Now try Babbel for free. Just go to babbel.com to start.
Hello, Babbel.
Language today. That's BABBEL.com.
The following is a test of the EAS.
God, does Babbel love me?
This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Right now, the health and financial security of voters...
Just before I do WAHC Pittsburgh, I'm gonna title this Babbel Loves Me. I'm actually gonna say Babbel loves Kdka instead of Babbel loves me. But anyway, here's WAHC. Sioux Falls issued a winter weather advisory. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. No, I'm just kidding. That's it for the Kdka test this week.